Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Wednesday, December 23rd. What you'll see in this presentation is that single-digit overnight lows and possible patchy freezing fog develops tonight and continues for Thursday night. Not in every area, but in a lot of populated areas. Not all of them, though. We're looking for a clear and calm Christmas day across the state. And then Christmas night, low pressure moves in, bringing a half to 2 inches in the Snake River Plain and about 1 to 4 inches in the mountains and highlands on Saturday through Saturday evening. So this is our current satellite. A lot of this is just high cloudiness that will be filtering through our area today. The storm that caused all the winds, you can see it out here, has now moved into the northern plains. And then the storm after Christmas Day is this one here. Be, like I said, sweeping through Christmas night into, and primarily Saturday during the day, and then linger into Saturday night. So that's what you see here. We're looking for basically fairly peaceful days here for the 23rd and Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day will be nice, pleasant, but cold. We are looking for a slight chance of light snow in the western part of our area, which would be south central Idaho, to a chance in some of the higher mountains like the Wood River and Sawtooth area. But that does not start until Friday night, definitely sometime after 5 p.m. And then the bulk of the snow will fall Saturday during the day. There could be some afternoon rain, especially in the Magic Valley, where temperatures will get to close to 40 degrees. But elsewhere, we are looking for it to be snow or light snow. And then Sunday, there's just a slight chance of snow in some locations. You can see it's totally stopped in the Magic Valley, and chance is still on the eastern highlands bordering Wyoming as the storm will move from west to east across southern Idaho. So the rest of this, we'll just look at what temperatures will be doing and snowfall through Saturday. So here you can see today, most locations staying below at freezing or below. And then lows tonight, with a little bit of cloud cover, you can see the single digits and negative numbers are mostly relegated to the central Idaho mountains. There are a few in the north end of the valley, and sleeping down as far south as Blackfoot. And then high temperatures on Thursday, about the same, maybe slightly higher for places like Burley. But you can see the cold air starts to spread a little bit further south, starting to get into the areas north of American Falls. Negative numbers in the Alpine valleys like Stanley Basin. And you can see INL property of -2 there. Then on Friday, we start to see movement upwards as we start to warm ahead of the front with more southerly wind, with temperatures getting above freezing now, all the way as far north as Blackfoot, and even Stanley at 36. Overnight lows, again, this would be with cloud cover moving in here Friday night into Saturday morning. You can see it's a lot warmer with Pocatello staying above 20. And then Saturday, not quite as warm as it has been in some locations, especially northern areas, but you see Burley getting up to 40 degrees. Here's what the snow will do. Again, no snow until Friday night. This is where we expect it to be, and that light blue area is 1 inch or less. And it continues to be 1 inch or less on this one, so you can see widespread 1 inch or less. There are very limited areas where it gets above basically the 2 inch mark, which is the second shade of blue, and even fewer areas getting to 4 inches or 3 inches or more. Wind speeds this afternoon, you can see it's staying, compared to especially yesterday, 10 to 15 miles an hour in spotty locations. Thursday, some 15 to 20 over in the eastern Magic Valley. And then a little bit breezier on Saturday with the storm moving through. But again, we're not looking for anything like what we had yesterday, where we actually did have gusts to around 60 miles an hour in some limited locations, primarily 40 to 50. And Saturday night, it does sort of continue with that storm. And again, most of the winds, as you can see, especially in the afternoons, will be out of the west. So, again, a nice calm Christmas day. A little bit chilly up until then. And then starts to warm up, and then some snow, looks like, for late Friday night into Saturday and Saturday evening. And then dying out then. And as far as the extent it goes beyond that, hard to say what's going to happen. There's not a lot of consensus with the computer models we look at. And so when we see that, we're a little bit unsure, but it should stay early on for the northern half, a little bit wet, and then starting Monday, Tuesday time frame, more for the southern area, being a little bit wetter. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.